Stars rarely live alone. They gather in vast, rotating cities called galaxies, each home to billions of suns, planets, and clouds of dust. We live in one such city, the Milky Way, but it's just one of an estimated 2 trillion in the known universe. And all of them are held together by an invisible glue, a force that dictates the architecture of the cosmos: gravity. Galaxies aren't all the same. There are glowing spiral pinwheels like our own, teeming with young blue stars. There are giant football-shaped elliptical galaxies filled with ancient red suns and little raw material for new ones. And there are chaotic, irregular galaxies, often the beautiful wreckage of galactic collisions. For centuries, we thought gravity was a simple pull, but Einstein showed us it's far more profound. A galaxy doesn't just sit in space, its immense mass actually warps the very fabric of space-time around it. That curvature is what keeps stars in their orbits. But there's a twist. In the 1970s, astronomer Vera Rubin noticed that stars on the edges of galaxies were moving impossibly fast. The gravity from all the visible matter wasn't nearly enough to hold them. It was a shocking discovery that pointed to a hidden reality. Galaxies are embedded in a giant, invisible halo of something else. We call it dark matter. This mysterious substance, making up 85% of all matter, provides the extra gravity that binds galaxies. It's the invisible scaffold for the largest structure we know, the cosmic web. This spidery network of galactic filaments stretches across billions of light years, separated by vast empty voids. It's the ultimate cosmic battle, gravity pulling matter together and the universe's expansion pulling it apart. The beautiful cities of stars we see are just the glowing threads in a much larger invisible tapestry.